Activities to play with the kids in the car, Part 3. Let us have a short review of the activities to play with the kids that were already discussed. First, make a Cheerio necklace. Second, play scavenger hunt in a magazine or nature finds. Third, bring snacks and use it as a reward. Fourth, the surprise bags. Fifth, preschool workbooks. Sixth, board games. And seventh, line and dots. Now, what are other ways that children can make the most of their road trip? Here are numbers 8 to 11. Number 8, make a book. Before you leave on your trip, you can take some paper, fold it in half, and staple it together so your child can make his or her own books. Number 9, photography. Take a camera along for the car trip. Take turns photographing stops along the way or activities inside the car. Make notes about the items that are photographed for reference. Use the photographs to make a trip scrapbook when you return home. The notes you take will help in making the captions. Number 10, treasure bottle. Prepare this one ahead of time. Use a large soda bottle or a large clean peanut butter jar. Fill it no more than 2/3 full with uncooked rice or bird seed. Then put in about 20 to 25 small objects. Keep a count of the items and write down the number of items on the outside of the bottle. Put the lid on tight and let the kids take turns rolling the bottle around their hands until they find them all. Kids of all ages love this game. You can make more than one treasure bottle so kids don't have to take turns. Number 11, a map. Give your kids an opportunity to have their own copy of a map of where you are going. Show them how far you have come, how much further there is to go, and let them mark it with a crayon. Every time they ask, "Are we there yet?" have them take out their map and see for themselves. You might also like to get a compass and show them how it works along with the map. To make all these possible, be sure you have all your materials needed. Make sure you have a car organizer. 411 Seasons Backseat Car Organizer is a winner in keeping things in place inside the car. Get yours today!